Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to be making another really simple recipe. We're going to be making my version of chicken Alfredo. This recipe is so delicious. Chicken is marinated in paprika and some other spices, and it's sauteed together and then dunked in a creamy sauce that is enhanced with Parmesan. It's absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I have 1 pound of boneless chicken here. Today, I'm going to be using breast meat. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Mix this well together. In a saute pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to allow this to heat and then add the chicken. I'm just going to cook my chicken on one side and then I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes or until it's done. I'm going to move the pieces of chicken onto a plate and I'm just going to allow this to cool. In some boiling and salted water, I'm going to add 2 cups of rigatoni and I'm going to cook it according to the package instructions. Rigatoni is not a typical pasta that you use in Alfredo. However, this is all I have on hand. I'm going to take my penne off the heat. This is what I'm going to be using. I'm also going to slice the chicken. In a saute pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic and 2 cups of cream. I'm going to allow this to boil until it thickens up slightly. Add salt to taste. And I'm going to add 1 cup of Parmesan. I'm using Parmesan petals because that's what I have on hand, but you can also use grated Parmesan. Once it melts, add the cooked penne, followed by the chicken. Make sure that the penne is well coated, and I'm going to top this off with a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Kravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for creamy chicken Alfredo. This is my version of the recipe and my family just loves it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and also don't forget to ring that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you love my video content, please make sure to share it with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these recipes as well. And follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care and stay safe. Bye.